So welcome back to another video. My name is Alan, this is Hemi-Driven. Today I'm going to show you guys how to potentially make your stock charger, either if it's a wide body or whatever, a little faster off the line. Now I watched this in a video, just decided I would try it myself. So it's in the Super Track Pack modes, and you're obviously going to need the Taser for the older chargers to unlock this. So I'm going to show you basically what to do here. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. I always try to pump out new content as much as I can. I know I've been a little, say, lazy lately with content wise, so bear with me. Winter time, it is snowing out. Well, not snowing out, but it did snow, so haven't been doing much, just been chilling. And but yeah, more content on the way for the summertime. Alright guys, so to do this, we obviously want to go into race options, shift light. To unlock this, you need the Taser in the older chargers and stuff like that to unlock this. So anyhow, I got everything on. So we're gonna go ahead and do the RPM setup. So I've upped it a bit. It was I think I've only pressed it once, so it was like, this is where it was at before. So give it a try. I don't really like to mess with this type of stuff, but we're gonna up it just like that and like that, and give that a try and see if it makes a difference off the line. We're gonna try and do a launch here down this road, and we're gonna see if this improves any times at all for like a 0 to 60. I don't think it's gonna today because of the cold wet roads, but we'll give it a go. Let's give it a go and just see what happens, huh? I'm not gonna use a paddle shifter, so I'm gonna hold the camera at the same time, and we're gonna test our time just to see what we can do. All right, y'all, so let's get in the middle of the road. Let's do this real quick before another car comes down. Been waiting for a long time to get going here, so let's go down. Oh, that was fun. That was a 5.3. We had some wheel spin there. Whew. I do notice an incredible difference just in acceleration, just by doing upping the first and second gear in there a little bit with the shift times. But yeah, guys, give it a try. We're gonna try again on maybe a drier day, but I just thought I'd do a video. So there it is there, 5.3, and best was a 4.8. It's my last one. So so we plus 1.16. So I think we can do a lot better than that. I did have my pedal commander on. We got it in sport, so I figured we'd try, but there's a lot of wheel spin right there, so but yeah, give it a go, guys. It's a lot of fun. All right, y'all, join our Facebook page, Royal Street Kings. We're doing decals, all that stuff, and cars and coffee around town here. So go on the Facebook, join the page. We also got a car meet page. I'll share to the main Facebook page. But yeah. Anyhow, this is why I don't daily. I didn't winter drive this because it just gets so freaking dirty. This thing needs a bath. I haven't washed this thing in a long time. About a month of just straight not washing it. It's just so dirty. Needs a mean bath. Alright, y'all, so I don't know, I'm just kind of playing around. We're gonna do a little behind the Walmart pull here. Ooh, rumbly. Alright, guys, so I got some bad news here. So I had to stop making my YouTube video that I was in the making of, but I have to push it out for this weekend. But one of the little girls that my wife watches tested for COVID, so now I am forced to self-isolate for a week. We just did our COVID test. Hopefully it all comes back negative and we're all good to go by next week. But unfortunately I had to stop the video, and unfortunately it has to be nice and short and sweet for this week because I missed last week, unfortunately. But yeah, summer's coming up, springtime's coming up, so hopefully there's gonna be some wild videos. I want to get some reviews in there, review videos and stuff like that. I am on the lookout for a Hellcat. We're looking for one. I don't know if we're gonna purchase one, but just a little hint in there. Anyhow, I just made a shirt. Little project Hemi-Driven shirt, and I got my Hemi-Driven hat on. These are available at bonfire.com, so go check them out. Link is in the description. This shirt is currently not available if you guys are ever interested, but it might be in the future, so let me know if you guys want one, and we can work something out. Anyhow, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and appreciate all the support that's already come to my channel. And but yeah, best of luck, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video, hopefully not too long. So peace out.